Is your Vauxhall Zafira key fob not working reliably? It's likely the battery needs replacing. The Zafira, models 2005 to 2014, uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Gently pry open the key fob casing. Take note of the battery orientation, positive side up, before removing the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation and snap the case back together. That's it. Test the fob to ensure it's working. Before you start, ground yourself to avoid static electricity, which can damage the fob's electronics. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. If the fob doesn't work after the battery change, double-check the battery polarity. Incorrect insertion is a common mistake. If problems persist, some users have found success using OBD2 scanners and a smartphone app like Vauxhall's My Vauxhall to reset the key fob. While CR2032 batteries are standard, consider rechargeable lithium-ion options like ML2032 for eco-friendliness and long-term savings, but ensure compatibility. Remember, DIY replacement saves an average of £45 compared to dealer service.